Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this felt snowflake garland. You're going to need some felt, some embroidery thread and an embroidery needle, some ribbon, some sequins or beads, and some tacky glue. Lastly, you'll need a template, which you can just find online. Trace the template on the felt. Pin several layers of the felt together, that way you have to cut out less. Glue both of the shapes together, but go light on the glue or else you're going to have some trouble pushing the embroidery needle through. And now it's time to decorate them. Now you could use scissors or an X-Acto knife to cut slits in the felt to feed the ribbon through.